Welcome back to our hunting farm. So today we're going to be talking about the J-hook half tool. So let's get started into this video. Number one about this J-hook half tool is I like that part. That's why they call it the J hook, because it's a J. Get it? J is able to come up in the frame, you know. Because the old other half tool, it's just like a little harder to get in the frame. It's like just a little different, but this one right here just provides you to be able to. It's so much more easier. Second is that this half tool is just quick, put in your pocket and all the stuff, and has this little hole in it. I don't know if you can see it. This hole in it will provide you to put it in a little hang it up or something if you want to. I'm sure the other ones have it too. It's just the J-hook's a little bit more easier to use because of that J. It's one reason why I like it. There's a lot of other reasons, just because it's like just a little better than the other ones. But please subscribe to the channel. I want to get to 100 subscribers by the end of this year, and also I want you to subscribe to my brother's channel. I want you to get him to 75 subscribers or 100. That would help us a lot. And please subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video.